एवरीवन, करंट अफेयर्स 2023 पार्ट 3 में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम करंट अफेयर्स 100 क्वेश्चन करेंगे। पहले 50 क्वेश्चन करते थे। 50 क्वेश्चन शॉर्ट वीडियो बन जाता है 10 मिनट में। अब थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा और क्वेश्चन जल्दी कंप्लीट होंगे क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। सो आई कैन स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, Who has inaugurated NALSA Center for Citizen Service at Jaisalmer House in New Delhi? Answer is Justice Uday Lalit. Question number 2, which state has launched the Padumal Pen Modern Women Scheme for the state girl student? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which general insurance has dropped in Google Cloud to build an online platform for selling insurance? Answer is HDFC RGO General Insurance. Question number 4, who has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Canada? Answer Sanjay Kumar Verma. Question number 5, TV Sankaranarayan has passed away recently. He was famous for? Answer is musician. Question number 6, who has been appointed as the CEO of Indigo Airline in September 2022? Answer is Peter Elbers. Question number 7, International Literacy Day is celebrated on dash every year all across the globe. Answer is 8 September. Question number 8, what is the theme of International Literacy Day 2022? Answer is transforming literacy learning spaces. Question number 109, which state of India has been accredited the International Travel Award 2023 for best destination for culture by the Pacific Area Travel Writers Association, Patwa? PATWA. Okay, answer is West Bengal. Question number 10, who has been appointed as the new United Kingdom Home Secretary? Answer is Suella Braverman. Question number 11, health sector in India to reach $50 billion by dash. Answer is 2025. Question number 12, which bank become first PSB to go live on new direct tax collection system TIN 2.0? Answer is BOI, Bank of India. Okay. Question number 13, Birju Shah has passed away recently. He was association with which sport? Answer is boxing. Question number 14, India and dash conduct counter ransomware exercise for 26 nations. Answer is UK. Question number 15, dash and 2 cities from Kerala have joined the UNESCO Global Network of Learning Cities in recognition of their outstanding effort to make lifelong learning a reality for all at the local level. Answer is Warangal. Question number 16, which state government has launched an ambitious scheme to provide 100 days of employment to needy families in urban areas? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 17, which company will build 3 gigafactories to manufacture solar modules, wind turbines and hydrogen electrolyzers? Answer is Adani Group. Question number 18, which company has replaced Paytm as the title sponsor of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI? Answer is MasterCard. Question number 19, which state finance bank has launched a rainbow saving account exclusively for the transgender community? Answer is ESAF Small Finance Bank Limited. Question number 120, International Day for to protect education from attack is observed every year on which day? Answer is September 9. Question number 21, what is the rank of India 2021 Human Development Index HDI released by the United Nations Development Programme? Answer is 132. Question number 22, DRDO and DASH recently conducted 6 flight tests of quick reaction surface to air missile system of Odisha coast. Answer is Indian Army. Question number 123, which country is known as the land of the horse according to the American Museum of Natural History, AMNH? Answer is Mongolia. Question number 124, India's largest lender, State Bank of India, recently issued additional Tier 181 bonds worth a total of rupees 6872 crore at a cut of? Answer is 7.75%. MOIL Limited is the largest producer of dash in India. Answer is manganese. Question number 126, World EV Day is observed on blanks every year. The day marks the celebration of e-mobility. Answer is September 9. Question number 27, who has recently taken additional charge as chairman and managing director of Navratna Defence PSU Bharat Electronics Limited? Answer is Dinesh Kumar Batra. Question number 128, the first Vyas Samman was conferred on to well-known Hindi writer Dr. Asghar Wajad for his play. Answer is Mahabali. Question number 29. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Indian superfood brand Pintola? Answer is Sunil Chhetri. Question number 30. Dash and WAARE collaborate to finance project for consumers and channel partners. Answer is SBI. Question number 31. The United States issue how many student visas to India in 2022 according to the US Embassy in India? Answer is 82,000. Question number 132. Which state government has launched a rainwater harvesting scheme named Chhata? CHHATA. Answer is Odisha. Question number 33. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has inaugurated India's longest rubber dam, Gayaji Dam, on which river? Answer is Falgu River. Question number 134. Government has set up a committee under who moderate gas prices in September in 2022. Answer Kirit S. Parikh. Question number 135. World Suicide Prevention Day celebrated annually dash is organized by the International Association for Suicide Prevention and endorsed by the World Health Organization. Answer is 10th September. Question number 136. According to Forbes real-time billionaire list, who is the Asia richest man with a net worth of US dollar 129.16 बिलियन? गौतम अदानी है। मैं बताना चाहूँगा क्वेश्चन ये 20 सितंबर का है, इसलिए 136 इस क्वेश्चन को आप हटा सकते हैं चाहे तो, क्योंकि तब बन गए थे रिचेस्ट मैन एशिया के, अब नहीं है फिलहाल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 137. व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ हिमालय दिवस 2022? Answers. Himalaya will be safe only when the interests of its residents are protected. Question number 138. Who is the new chief of United Nations Human Rights? Answer is Volker Turk. Question number 139. Who has been conferred Singapore prestigious military award, the Pingat Jasa Gemilang Tentara or Meritorious Service Medal, Military MSMM? Answer is Admiral Sunil Lanba. Question number 140. The National Mission for Clean Ganga organized Himalaya Divas on dash in association with Naula Foundation. Answer is September 09. Question number 141. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Center State Science Conclave via video conferencing in which city? Answer is Ahmedabad. Question number 142. Commerce and Industry Ministry Piyush Goyal has launched program Setu in San Francisco, US. What does E stand for in Setu? Entrepreneurs. Question number 143. Which private space startup has secured its first patent for the design and manufacturing of 3D printed rocket engine? Answer is Agnikul Cosmos. Question number 144. In the men category, who has lifted 2022 US Open final title? Answer is C. Alcaraz Garcia. Question number 145. In the women category, who has lifted 2022 US Open final title? Answer is I. Swiatek. Question number 146. The United Nations Day for South Corporation is observed annually on dash to highlight the importance of corporation among people. Answer is September 12. Question number 147. National Forest Meritorious Day is observed on dash to pay tribute to those who sacrifice their lives to protect forest and wildlife. Answer is September 11. Question number 141. Who has been recently appointed as the SAFEMA Appellate Tribunal Chief? Answer is Munishwar Nath Bhandari. Question number 149. Indian Army Karga Corps and the Indian Air Force has conducted a joint exercise Gagan Strike in blanks. Answer is Punjab. Question number 150. Which month is recognized as International PCOS Awareness Month? Answer is September. Question number 151. India and Japan 2+2 ministerial dialogue held in which city? Answer is Tokyo. Question number 152. PhonePe has tokenized blanks credit and debit card on its platform in line with the Reserve Bank of India mandate for information security. Answer is 14 million. Question number 153. Which country passed a law allowing itself to carry out a preventive nuclear strike? Answer is North Korea. Question number 154. What is the theme of World First Aid Day 2022? Answer is Lifelong First Aid. Question number 155. World First Aid Day is celebrated every year on the second Saturday of September. The year World First Aid Day 2022 falls on. Answer is 10th September. Question 156. Which state government will provide a unique farm ID similar to Aadhaar number to the farmer of the state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 57. Indian Railway for the first time has floated a tender to invent private players to build a high-speed wheel plant under which initiative? Answer is Make in India. Question number 158. The Indian Railway will be introducing the new Avatar high-speed train Vande Bharat called Vande Bharat 2. It will have a maximum speed up to how many km per hour? Answer is 180. Question number 151. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways will build the National Maritime Heritage Complex at which site of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer is Lothal. Question number 160. Which state will host Ranji Trophy matches for the first time in December 2022? Answer is Sikkim. Who has won Italian F1 Grand Prix 2022? Answer is Max Verstappen. Question number 162. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the World Dairy Summit 2022 in Greater Noida. What is the theme of the summit? Answer is Dairy for Nutrition and Livelihood. Question number 166. Sri Lankan cricket team won the Asia Cup 2022 after defeating which team in the finals? Answer is Pakistan. Question number 161. In September 2022, Bank of Maharashtra has raised blanks to fund business growth of the Basel III compliant additional Tier 1 bonds. Answer is rupees 710 crore. Question number 165. The Ministry of Ayush celebrate Ayurveda Day every year on Dhanvantari Jayanti, and this year it will be celebrated on 23rd October. Question number 166. American Express Banking Corp India has appointed Dash on its Chief Executive Officer and Country Manager. Answer Sanjay Khanna. Question number 167. Which state has announced first ever cinematic tourism policy? Answer Gujarat. Question number 168. Which bank has become the first bank in the country to issue an electronic bank guarantee in partnership with National E-Governance Service Limited? Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 169. India retail inflation rate reversed its 3-month downward trend in August, rising to? Answer is 7%. Question number 170. Britain's King Charles has bestowed the title of Prince and Princess of Dash on his eldest son William and daughter-in-law Kate. Answer is Wales. Question number 171. The Principal Accountant General Office in which city has begun pension at your doorstep initiative? Answer is Mumbai. Question number 172. In which city the National Defence MSME Conference and Exhibition has been organized? Answer is Kota. Question number 173. Who has been nominated to the Rajya Sabha from Jammu and Kashmir by the President Draupadi Murmu? Answer is Ghulam Ali. Question number 174. The Kibithu Military Garrison in Arunachal Pradesh has been renamed as? Answer is General Bipin Rawat Military Garrison. Question number 175. Chess player Alireza Firoza won the 9th edition of the Sinquefield Cup in September 2022. The tournament was held in which country? Answer is USA. Senior advocate Mukul Rohtagi is slated to be appointed as the Dash Attorney General for India after K.K. Venugopal. Answer is 14th. Question number 177. METI Startup Hub in collaboration with which companies will launch a program to support and accelerate XR technology startups across India in September 2022? Answer is Meta. Question number 178. INS Satpura and P-81 maritime patrol aircraft will participate in multinational naval X Kakadu. X Kakadu is hosted by? Answer is Australia. Question number 179. Which become the first academic institute in the country to join an IBM program promoting a quantum computing development and research? Answer is IIT Madras. Question number 80. Hindi Divas or Hindi Day is observed every year on dash to mark the popularity of Hindi as an official language of India. Answer is 14th September. Question number 181. Which company appoints former RBI Deputy Governor BP Kanungo and Zomato Chairman Kaushik Datta to board? Answer is BharatPe. Question number 182. Name the author of the book Will Power, the inside story of the incredible turnaround in Indian women's hockey. Answer is Sajoy Marigine. Question number 183. Which has won the Outstanding Drama Series Awards in the 74th Emmy Awards 2022? Answer is Succession. Question number 184. Who has won the Outstanding Lead Actress in Comedy Series Award in 74th Emmy Awards 2022? Answer is Jean Smart. Question number 185. Burjil Holding, a private healthcare service provider in the MENA region, has signed Bollywood actor Des as its new brand ambassador. Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Question number 186. World largest museum of Harappan culture to set up in which state of India? Answer is Haryana. Question number 187. The government has signed that India has turned into a power surplus nation with a total installed electricity capacity of over lakh megawatt. Answer is 4. Question number 188. Who has become the first ever cricketer to reach 50 million followers on Twitter? Answer is Virat Kohli. Question number 189. Which bank and Square Yards, an integral real estate platform, has announced the launch of Open Door, a core branded home buyer ecosystem? Answer is Axis Bank. Question number 190. Which life insurance has launched a term insurance plan, Click to Protect Super? Answer is HDFC Life Insurance. Question number 191. Which social media platform has partnered with India Post Payment Bank to drive financial inclusion in remote cities in September 2022? Answer Coup. Question number 192. India Engineers Day is celebrated on September 15 every year. This day commemorates the birth anniversary of. Answer is Sir Moksha Gandham Visvesvaraya. Question number 193. This year September 15 marks the dash anniversary of the International Day of Democracy. Answer is 15th anniversary. Okay. Question number 194. Name the former Pakistan umpire who passed away recently. Answer is Asad Rauf. Question number 195. Name the author of the book Rajni Mantras, Life Lesson from India's Must Love Superstar. Answer is PC Balasubramaniam. Question number 196. Which city will create history by implementing a fully digital addressing system, making it the first city in India? Answer is Indore. Question number 197. Who has announced his retirement from all forms of Indian cricket recently? Answer Robin Uthappa. Question number 198. What is the wholesale price index WPI based inflation rate of August? Answer is 12.41%. Question number 198. Who has been appointed as the managing director of CSCE Governance SPV? Answer Sanjay Kumar Rakesh. Question number 200. World Lymphoma Awareness Day is held on dash every year and is days dedicated to raising awareness to lymphoma in increasing common form of cancer. Answer is September 15. 6th मंथ में करंट अफेयर्स में अभी 200 क्वेश्चन तक हम पहुँचे हैं, आगे करेंगे। इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, जिससे हमको मोटिवेशन मिलता है और आगे वीडियो बनाने के लिए वो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहता है। थैंक यू।